Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a crochet braid update on this wand curl crochet braid style that I have been wearing. But before we jump into today's video, definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, turn your post notifications on, give the video a thumbs up. You know the drill. And if you don't know the drill, you must be new to the channel. So welcome, sis. I also figured that in today's video, I would go ahead and include a morning/nighttime routine because I've gotten just a few questions about it, and this crochet braid style is super duper easy to maintain, but I figured I'd just throw it in here anyway since this is my final review thoughts on the hair. So let's go ahead and jump into that first, and then we'll do final thoughts. So this is the morning/nighttime routine. So as you guys can see, my makeup edge is already done. This is literally how I slept. So I'm just gonna take my scarf off. You guys can see my hair is just in this bun. I have a clip right here just holding it kind of in place, and then I have my ponytail holder. So I'm just gonna take this out. And this is one of the silk ones, so it's nice and soft. And then I'm just going to shake my hair out and then just kind of play with it to style it for the day. Mirror down here too, so don't mind if I'm looking down. But you guys can see it stays so nice. You really just don't have to do anything at all. It just takes you just kind of have to play with it, pull the curls apart and stuff. In the morning I do have my scissors here, and then I also have my Downy water mixture, so I would definitely link that video in the cards for you guys so y'all can check that out. And I'm just going to be spraying that on my hair. All I'm really doing is just pulling the curls apart, the pieces like this will be one, and then another, and another, just like that. When you see things like that, you can literally just pull it off, and I'm just going to take this and just throw it out. And while I'm going through, I may snip some pieces as well. Like this right here. Y'all can see this on the end. I'm just gonna cut that off. I was just able to pull the curls apart and then just kind of play with it. Okay, and so now I'm just gonna do just a little bit of cutting probably. So let me see. I just bring all the hair forward like this. You guys can see I have some pieces that are really long, so I'm gonna cut those. as you guys can see, it is super duper easy to kind of just play around with this hair after it's been in just a bun all night. So there's really no maintenance with this. Like, you can really just pineapple your hair at night and be done. For most crochet braid styles, you will need to twist or braid it up at night, but because of this type of kind of like wand curl pattern, it's really not necessary, and the hair comes out looking great, as you guys can see. So yes, let's go ahead and jump right into my final thoughts. Okay guys, so my final thoughts on the hair, I love it. I love it. It's a winner. No complaints, girl. Look, I really don't have any cons at all about the hair. Okay, so let's kind of talk about the specs first, and then we'll talk more about the final thoughts. Okay, so the hair comes straight out of the pack, just in a wand curl type pattern. It is a natural textured hair. It is longer than this, so I have cut it over time. When I initially installed it, I cut it, and then I've been snipping off the ends just, you know, as the days go by, and you know, you just see a little something, you just like snip snip, girl. It just gives a nice fresh look. But the hair probably is somewhere, or not down here, girl, somewhere around like right there, I would say, when you first install it. I did split the hair, so I only split it in half, just right in the front. And then in the back, I installed the pieces like one by one as they came out of the pack. And this is the color 1B. So if you guys want to see the original video, the installation process, my braid pattern, how it looks when it's first installed, how it looks straight out the pack, all that kind of stuff, definitely be sure to go check out the original video. I will have it linked in the cards for you guys, as well as in the description box down below. And thank you guys so much for all the views on that video. Clearly y'all love the style too, and shout out to the person who commented down below and said that they purchased the hair, got it installed, and they love it. That makes me so happy. I love when you guys love the styles that I present and you guys actually get the hair and y'all like, you know, you love it. Like, that's so exciting to me. So happy you love the hair, sis. Hopefully more people go ahead and check it out, because I'm telling you, you guys, this is the one. Okay, this is the one. This is seriously like, this could be a signature style for me. Like, honestly and truly, I'm actually upset that I have to take it out, because I gotta move on to the next style, girl. Y'all know I like to give y'all crochet braid styles. Come on, we gotta keep it going. But it's like, I really could keep this in a little while longer. Okay, so it has been 3 weeks exactly, pretty much, since I've been wearing this style. It can definitely go for 4 weeks, probably 5 or 6. Okay, I personally would never wear a crochet braid style over 6 weeks. Like, you do what you want to do, girl, of course, but like after 6 weeks, child, it's just time to move on. It's time to move on to the next style, okay? Regardless of if I have to do crochet braid videos for y'all or not, girl, I would still be taking it out. But to me, a long wearing style is anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks. Like, anything after that, I just would not, girl, it has to go. I couldn't see the crochet braid style lasting 8 to 9, 10 weeks. That's asking a lot, okay? But this one absolutely can go 5 to 6 weeks for sure. Like, if I had time to keep it in, girl, I would, just to see how long I could wear it for. But honestly, like, signature style for me, you guys. I really have no complaints about the hair. I absolutely love it. I love the texture. I love the curl pattern. I love the color, the length. I love how it's holding up. I love how it just looks so real, girl. This look like it's mine, okay? It looks so good. I really, really, really love this style. I don't really have any cons about the hair at all, girl. Like I said, I'm pretty upset that it's time for me to take it out already, but I'm really excited about the next style as well. So y'all definitely be sure to subscribe down below so y'all can be here for all the crochet braid videos to come, because the next one, sis, look, I'm not gonna tell y'all what it is, but it is color. Okay, I know I've been throwing out a lot of 1Bs, a lot of 2s, a lot of number 1s, but we're gonna throw in a little bit of color. So it's either gonna go up later this week or next week, so y'all definitely be sure to turn on your post notifications so y'all can know when the video goes up. But yeah, that's gonna be a wrap on this. I really don't have nothing else to say. Y'all wanna see the specs, installation process, anything about that, check the description box and the cards for the original video. And yeah, that's gonna be it, you guys. Let me know if y'all have any questions. Definitely comment down below. You know, I always get back to you guys. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up on your way out. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.